you guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me check the mic first. On. हेलो यू गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. आई होप यू गाइस आर डूइंग ग्रेट. सो अभी रक्षाबंधन आने वाला है. इट इज़ ऑन 22nd of August. So today I'll be creating a रक्षाबंधन स्पेशल मेकअप लुक. सो इट विल बी अ वेरी न्यूट्रल मेकअप, क्योंकि रक्षाबंधन में हम इतना ज़्यादा हैवी मेकअप नहीं करते हैं. सो ऑफ कोर्स इट विल बी अ ट्रेडिशनल मेकअप लुक. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर ड्यू, लेट अस स्टार्ट द वीडियो. So the first step always is the skincare. I have already prepped my skin, so I will be starting with the primer. So here I am using the Insight Cosmetics 3-in-1 Prime, Protects and Moisturizes Long Lasting Oil Free Primer. So this is a silicone based primer. This is an excellent primer for oily skin. Take a little amount of the primer. So sweating a lot, so hot. So I am thinking of not using a foundation, so it will be also a no foundation makeup look. So I'll directly jump to the concealer. This is the Maybelline's Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium. If you don't have a concealer, or if you don't want to use one, you can go for a BB cream. The Pond's BB cream is really nice. It really blends nicely and also gives a very decent coverage. So you can also go with a BB cream. So I don't know whether this BB cream have other shades available or not. The shade which I have right now is 0 to medium. So this is, I think, for medium to dark skin tone. So it is also yellow undertone, in case you want to know. This is okay, and this cost only rupees 70 or 72 something. So this is very much affordable. I'll be starting by applying the concealer. So a very little amount. Especially I will concentrate it more around my dark spots here. That much is enough. So now I'll be blending it using a beauty blender. So now I'll be setting up my concealer using some setting powder. For that I'm using the Blue Heavens Sapphire Translucent Powder. It is in the shade Natural. So I'll just take a little bit more of the powder on this portion of my face, because this part gets really oily. So whenever I get time, I record a video. So I am getting a lot of pressure right now. So I'm really sorry about not being able to upload video in a right interval. So as soon as my exam gets over, I will try uploading at least 2 videos a week. So yeah, we are done with the base. Now we will be moving on to our eyes. We'll be setting up my brows. So keeping it really natural, first of all I'll just be brushing up my brows. To add some spark to this eye makeup, I'll be applying the Swiss Beauty's liquid eyeshadow in the shade 03 Champagne. So I'll just apply it on the inner corners here. So for eyeliner, I'll be using the Lakme's Insta liner. On the lower lash line as well, I'll be using the same eyeshadow, the dark brown. So I will darken the eyeshadow using some black eyeshadow. For mascara, I will be using the Nykaa's Curl Power Waterproof Curling Mascara. Now I'll be applying my falsies. So I'm using the Killalee's Fox Mink eyelashes. So our eye makeup is done. We will move on to our blush and contour. For the contour, I'll be taking this shade. This is from the Swiss Beauty's Ultra Blush palette. It is the 02 shade palette. So on the top of my nose, I'll be again applying some concealer. For the blush, I'll be using this peach shade from the same blush palette. If you don't want to contour your face, that's perfectly fine. You can skip the contour part. Now it's time for some highlighter. So for highlighter, I always used Urban Choice highlighter, which is very much affordable and very much similar to the Master Chrome highlighter. So this is the highlighter. It is in the shade 04 Sunburst. So for lipstick, I'll be using the Superstay Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick. It is in the shade Chrome Red 421. So this was the video, guys. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. If you do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notifications whenever I come up with new video. And a very happy Raksha Bandhan to you all. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.